uso kwa uso.
Masuda ni Lydia Wang'eni motende kod weche mag ODM bende ei odgi kanyo.
Jod bura manyocha cha chenro mariembo e ODM kamotingo mago mano Karoli Omondi ma Suba South kod mano majaod bura mauriri wacho ni gintiere kata gin kuma omigi ok nikare kaluwore gi bedo ni karaja kom ODM John Mbadi nyocha selando ni dwa dok e kom Suba South. Speaker mar mamalo Moses Wetangula to jiwo gini kik gibedo kod kibaji mora mora. Negilose kanisa Catholic Mauriri Parish mane tere Migori County kama bende jagoro mongire migao marita Dr. Raymond Omolo bende noyore.
Are we together? Because hakuna makosa nimefanya to go and lobby for super people to get a road. And we must speak the truth. And I must also emphasize here, if we go to court, we are going to win. I am a lawyer, I am telling you this. We are going to win. Let me tell you why. There was no tribunal that tried us. Are we together? That is why I'm saying this thing is going to embarrass the party. The chairman anyway is on record having declared interest in the seat of Karoli. So when he sits to judge him, I mean, what really do you expect?
Don't be intimidated by anybody. Don't act in fear. Don't fear to act in accordance with the Constitution. That is what I advise you. Na wale ndugu zangu wenye wanaongoza vyama, you cannot be preaching democracy to the masses and oppression in your parties. Because democracy must be everywhere.
We need to take the government program seriously so that we benefit like everybody else. And the government of William Ruto is working for every Kenyan without any discrimination.